Welcome to the ultimate culinary interactive sport of Central Vietnam, edible origami. This is Bánh Cuốn Thịt heo quay. Yeah, I'm not repeating it. If you love pork belly and fresh herbs, this is the DIY lunch of your dreams. Now the first rule of the roll. We lay down a sheet of dry rice paper, then top it with a sheet of wet steamed rice paper, the ultimate double texture security blanket. They give you a mountain of herbs that looks like a whole botanical garden. I'm wrapping a forest in here just to justify eating half a pound of crispy pork belly. Lettuce, fish mint, green banana for astringency, and cucumber for contrast. And now the star of the show, the sliced pork. That skin is so toasty it crackles louder than bubble wrap under a steamroller. We roll it up tight and dunk it into this bowl of mam nem. Now this fermented fish sauce smells like a harbour at low tide, but it tastes like a direct message from heaven. It's bold, sweet, spicy and incredibly funky. Fresh, crispy, salty and sweet, all in one massive perfect bite. You can't leave Central Vietnam without sitting down for a platter of this. So are you brave enough for the mam nem? Or are you sticking with the standard sweet chili sauce? Let me know in the comments. And why not smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next roll. Until then, adios!